Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm showing you 3 half up hairstyles. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's get started. For the first look, you can leave some pieces out around the front to frame your face or sweep everything back. Then take 2 equal sections from both sides and join these together at the back, creating a small ponytail. Make a part above your hair elastic and twist the ponytail through this. It will then create 2 twists either side. Then add in some texture spray. It's just going to give more grip for the next step. Next, grab 2 small sections of hair either side of the hair elastic. Take these 2 sections and cross one side over the other and pull it tight so it covers up the hair elastic. You then want to grab some bobby pins and start to pin it in place. Then you can pinch and pull at the side of the twist to make everything stand out more. And this is the finished look. I absolutely love how romantic this hairstyle turned out. For the next style, you want to brush your hair back and up at a slight angle. So it should create a parting from your ear to the crown of your head. And then you want to tie this into a ponytail. And I am using a bristle brush to brush through my hair. I just find this keeps everything really smooth. Next, take out some pieces of hair from the ponytail, which we will curl later. To create the bun, twist your ponytail up and clockwise around your fingers, and once the ponytail has done a full twist, you can then grab the ends with your fingers and pull this through. You can then tuck the ends underneath the bun and bobby pin everything in place. And when you apply the pins, you want to make sure that you're opening the pins up before you apply them with your fingers so that they grip better. And lastly, to finish off the look, you just want to curl those loose ends. I'm just adding in a tiny bit of wax just to smooth down the front section, and this is the second look done. For the final style, you want to section the top part of your hair around your crown and gather this together at the back. You then want to split this section into 2 and clip one side out of the way. With the remaining section, you want to tie this into a ponytail. Next, take that section you clipped out the way and sweep this over your ponytail and around the hair elastic. Create a part using your fingers on one side and pull the ends through this. You then want to pull the ends through to the other side so they sit directly underneath the bun, and then you can bobby pin everything in place. You can then pinch and pull at the side of the bun to add more volume. So this is the final look. Let me know in the comments which is your favourite style. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.